Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on BeReal without the person that you're screenshotting knowing. So you might find some really funny post, but you want to screenshot it and you don't want to let the person know that you screenshotted it. Let's choose this one right here. So what you're going to want to do, swipe down and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on airplane mode. Once you do that, screenshot it. After that, if you're on iPhone, you're going to have to delete BeReal. On Android, you can just clear all the data from BeReal. You want to either delete it or clear the data because it saves if you screenshotted it. So when you turn on your Wi-Fi, it'll tell them that you screenshotted it still. And after you do that, re-download BeReal. But before you go, because you think this is too hard, there's one thing that you don't want to do when you're screenshotting somebody's BeReal. You don't want to go into this mode right here and then try and screenshot it like that, because it will still tell them that you screenshotted it. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comment section below.